Hey, hi, welcome back. AI agents are trending these days. If you know how to create AI agents or AI automated workflows, you will always be in high demand. Knowing how to create AI agents is one of the hot skills in 2026. In this video, I will show you how you can create AI agents instantly without any technical skills. Even if you don't know coding, even if you don't know AI development, still you can create advanced AI agents. I will show you how you can do that. There is a platform called n8n. It is one of the popular place for AI workflow automation. You can literally create any kind of AI agents. You can literally automate any kind of complex task and you can make AI do those tasks instantly. So you can create workflows like this, but it is not easy for everyone to create AI agents or AI workflows because you need some technical knowledge, you need some understanding of APIs and other stuff that not everyone can easily associate with. So for people who are new to technical space, for people who are new to AI, and if you want to create AI agents, I will show you how you can do that. There is a platform called WebSpaceKit. Here you will find n8n templates. The good thing is someone has already created templates for all those AI agent tasks. So all you have to do is like you just need to get the workflow that you need and it will do the task in the backend. You don't have to worry about anything. Let's suppose like these are all n8n templates that you will find in WebSpaceKit. It might be anything. You can see you will find templates related to content creation, CRM and sales, customer support, lead generation, videos, web scraping, marketing, messaging, and you will see some of the workflows and how they look like. So automated social media content creator, AI generated faceless YouTube shorts creator, AI social media content generator, Google Maps business lead caper. You can also select categories here. Let's suppose if I select content creation, I will only get content creation related workflows here. Find like whatever you require. Let's suppose there is one workflow called AI generated faceless YouTube shorts creator. This is the workflow preview. So all these steps, like it's inbuilt, template itself has all these workflow steps, so you don't have to bother about anything. You don't have to worry about each of these steps because the workflow automatically execute all these steps. So it is how it looks like. So you will just give the topic name, video duration, style, voice model, or audio URL if you have any audio. That's it, and it will create the shot automatically. It will create AI shot automatically, so you don't have to worry about anything. You don't have to worry about downloading stuff, editing videos and all. The AI itself, based on your input, will create shots automatically. For that, all you need to do is like for all the workflows is the same process. You need to select get this workflow, and the monthly subscription fee is $5 per month. It's almost around 450 rupees in INR, and yeah, $5 in general. Like if you sign up with $5 per month subscription, then ultimately you can execute these workflows and you can generate unlimited videos in that specific period. Like if you have subscribed for 1 month, you will get it for 1 month. So for that particular month with $5, you can generate multiple number of videos instantly. So this is how you can use workflows in WebSpaceKit. So you can create all these, like you can choose whatever you wish. You can also search for like whatever you wish, but you will find all the categories here. Just click one and see like whatever will maybe match your requirement, and just click view workflow and get workflow. That's it. You have to pay $5 for 1 month so that you can use the workflow unlimited times. So this is how you can create AI agents easily using templates from WebSpaceKit. Someone has already created it. Just pay $5 per month subscription and use these stuff. This is how you can create AI agents using n8n without the requirement of any technical or AI knowledge. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want more such stuff on AI, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.